Hello everyone and welcome to our English class. I hope you have a wonderful time, and remember, if you have any question, ask to your teacher. Our lesson for today is going to be compound words. Remember that we are reviewing important information about this topic, okay? We are going to reinforce the weak points or the weak information for us, or any doubt that you have about that topic, okay? We're going to start. Remember that this is a spelling, and please, if you need to take notes, do it. Go ahead, you're free to do it. And also, if you need to clarify any doubt, just keep in mind that we can help you. Just ask your question or tell us your doubt. Okay, let's see what is a compound word. Do you remember what is a compound word? Okay, in case you still don't know it, we are going to find out the answer right now. But what are our objectives of the class? Okay, the first objectives is going to be use the power of a compound word to determine the meaning of the whole word. Okay, the second one, use compound words in context to represent the meaning of the words. Okay, let's see what is a compound word. Okay, first of all, we need to focus on a compound word. We're going to find a compound word. For example, hot dog. Okay, this is a compound word, but what happened? What is a compound word? Okay, remember, are made of two or more smaller words that are combined to make a new word with its own meaning. Okay, let's see the examples. We have a house, we have a wife, okay, in the first example. But if we put these words together, we're going to create a new word, housewife. Okay, as you can see, it has its own meaning, okay? House and wife doesn't mean the same, okay? Maybe if we put the two words together, we will have a similar meaning, but in order to put in housewife, we have another. Butter plus fly is equal to butterfly. As you can see, the butterfly is not made of butter. So that is why we say that when we place or when we put these two words together, we create a new one with its own meaning, okay? Butterfly, for example. Yeah, we have a different animal. Okay, we have water plus melon is equal to watermelon. As you can see, the first word is water and the second word is melon. But when we put them together, we have a fruit. We have a different fruit. Okay, it's not a melon, it's a watermelon. Okay, let's see. Then we have different types of compound words. In this case, we're going to discuss 4 types of compound words. The first one is closed compound words. We have open compound words and hyphenated compound words. Okay, so let's see the differences. First of all, we have closed compound words. Okay, we need to keep in mind that when we say closed compound words, we are referring to 2 words, but these words separated. As you can see in the definition, are formed when two fully independent. You have bull plus dog is equal to bulldog. As you can see, we are creating a new word with its own meaning. Okay, no, well, we are creating a different word. Okay, bull with the first word, with the second word, that is dog. Okay, but in this case, a closed compound word, we put the 2 words together without any space, without one, and we place it together. And we have one examples, mailbox, so a compound word. Remember, 2 words that are put them together and we create a new one with its own meaning. It's the difference between the closed and the open compound words. It's really simple. When we are going to separate them with a space, okay? As you can see, remain separate on the page, but are used together to create meaning. As you can see, it's the same of the compound words separated, but we create a new idea. Okay, we express a new idea when we use them next to the other. Okay, and as you can see in these examples, we have hot plus dog is equal to hot dog. And as you can see, we don't write the 2 words together. If not, we leave a space between them. Hot dog. Okay, and we have a specific meaning. Remember, dog, that is an animal. But when we combine the 2 words, we say hot dog, but it's not a dog. Okay, it's a kind of food. Then we have food. full plus moon is equal to full moon. As you can see, we leave the space, but when we put them together, it has, or when we separated them, but they are next to each other. So that means we have a, a different and space office. And the last one, ice plus green, is equal to ice creams. And let's see the last one that is really easy to identify. Okay, hyphenated when two separate words are joined together by a hyphen. Do you remember what is a hyphen? Yes or no? Okay, let's see. As you can see, we have an example. We have there, we call it hyphen. That is between the words. This hyphen beyond the words, okay? Check in. When just we add the hyphen. Then we have 22 that is linked by hyphen. And if you see, we have three words. Okay, let's see a comparison. We're going to identify why are the examples that are living room, ice cream, full moon, high school. Close compound words that are campfire, airworm, popcorn, and snowball. And we have the hyphenated compounds that are modern law, merry-go-round, substance, and get together. Words. Okay, there is an open space between the words. We are going to identify the open, as the word says, open compounds, because we will find a space between them. Okay, between the words. As you can see, we place the two words together and we don't leave a space, or we don't add any hyphen or any sounds. As you can see, we are hyphen. And then this have a specific meaning. It's not going to be the same meaning as the separated you have. Don't forget to ask your teachers. Okay, listen, in this case, we're going to find the compound words in each sentence. Can you identify them? Yes or not? And when you have the information, okay, when you have that information, when you're already watching the video, okay, stop the video right now and start word start. Okay, if you finish, you can continue. Okay, let's follow this. So as you can see, in the first one, we have a compound word, and also we have other word that is holidays, but we're going to focus just on one. Okay, the number 2, I really want a peanut butter and a butter. Okay, excellent. So let's move to the number 3. Real estate agent had to take a test to get one word in the word. If you said estate agent, that means you are correct. If not, in that case, continue finding your number 4. She's a part-time teacher. As you can see, this is really easy to identify because we have that. Let's see the number 5. That is our full-time. That is the compound word. Okay, we are going to underline. In your case, you can underline. You can circle the word, find the word. Okay, the compound word. Number 6. I'm so tired of looking for on-campus housing. To identify because we can find a hyphen. So that means that it's a hyphenated compound word. So we're going to circle or underline the word, or you can highlight as 72 years old. So this is an easy word, a piece of cake. Okay. So as you can see, we have a hyphen. So we are going to identify easy what is the word. Oh, so as you can see, we have another compound word, but in this case, it's a close compound word, right? And you deserve a clap. Okay. Excellent. Okay. And the last one. Has anybody seen my binder? Okay. As you can see, this blue circle and body, that means you understood better the topic. Okay, so any question, don't forget for coming. It was a pleasure for me to be here. That's it. It was a pleasure for me to be here. And if you have any question about the topic, help us to understand or to clarify your doubts. It was a pleasure. Have a blessed and wonderful day.